Here's how to flip and rotate a video in CapCut, iPhone and Android. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can flip and rotate a video in CapCut for both Android and iPhone devices. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, we're just going to simply open up CapCut. And yeah, here we are. So yeah, let's just skip this ad quickly. And here we go. Now you simply need to go ahead and press on the video right over here. So once you're in the video project right over here, you just simply need to press on that, and you'll see blue lines right next to your video, and you'll see some options. So right over here, you just need to swipe right until you see the option of transform edit. So in many devices it might show as the option of edit, or for iPhone devices, like I'm on iPhone 14 and it's just gonna show transform. I don't know what it will show for you, but in my device, in my case, it's just showing transform. So pretty much it would say transform, or it can say edit. So it doesn't matter. What we really need to do is just look for this emoticon right next to transform, which has some changing type of stuff, and it's right next to volume and auto frame. So you just need to press on that, and then you'll see three options: mirror, rotate, and resize. So mirror actually means flip. So if you press on mirror here, as you can see, the video actually flipped and it's working on a flip manner now. And if you want to rotate, you can just simply press on the option of rotate, and here we go. Now you can rotate the video any angle you would like to, and you could basically mirror it as well, and then do your customizations however you would like to, and then you can just simply press export after that, and then you're good to go. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can flip and rotate a video in CapCut, iPhone and Android. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.